Then on to Steve's beauty. It's a Golf Mark 6 and my old amps. My old Zepco amps, but he has the 2-channel as well. This will change pretty soon. But at the moment he's got the Z150.4 limited edition. Also has the 2-channel. And this is the Z400.2. At the moment that runs the sub-bridged, crazy amount of power on that Helix Q15 sub-in-sealed Zepco DSP, and the 4-channel runs the front end. We've changed around many things and it's still going under changes, but he's on the right track. At the moment he has hybrid audio X3 wide bands with the Audible Physics AP 6.25 in the kicks. The kicks brief into the chassis rail. There's a big hole behind the driver into the chassis rail. A little controller there with a what head unit is it? What head unit is it, Steve? Kenwood? What head unit is it?
It's a DMX 7017 Kenwood.
Oh my god, you know everything about it. It's enough if you just tell me it's Kenwood. But yeah, he can stream directly to the DSP as well. So at the moment it's pretty simple but very, very, very cool. I'm gonna try to pull a demo later on in this. Right, let's carry on.